All right, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to look to see, make sure I don't step on nothing, so I don't fall when I'm talking to you guys. So today, what I'm going to be working on, just like last time, I got another pickup, not like last time, but I have another pickup truck that I'm going to be working on. So let's see, let's take a look at it. It's nice and clean. So this is it here, 2013 GMC Sierra. Originally came in. All I gotta do is change out the starter. I already did that. And now I have to put some valve covers on it. Or open this up. Valve cover seals. I gotta put valve cover seals on it. I already did this one. There. Valve cover seals are one of the easiest things to do. You know, just pop your coils off and take these 4 bolts off. Are good as it go. Pull your valve cover off, pull the seal out, clean it up, put the new one in, and bolt it back down. All right, so I already got this one done. I just have to do the other side over here, and I already put new spark plugs in it as well. So you can smell it was really rich. Let's take a look at the plugs. I think I still got some around. Let's take a look at these plugs that came out of it. What do I do with them? Oh, I put them in a bag. Put them back in the box. All right, so these are the old plugs that came out of it. So let's see here if I can actually get them out. Old plugs that came out of it. Look at that one over there, folks. There we go. Ooh, look at that bad boy. I forgot which cylinder this came out of it, but yes, some of the other ones. These, if there's mounting or test fitting my turbo kit. It's a mess right now. Still working on this, and I got to get it all finished up. Don't mind my flux core welds right now. That will be all TIG welded when it's done. It's just tack right now. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna TIG weld it. All right. So I got one done. Have to do this side. Here we go. Should be able to get this thing off. Not too much problem. Here we go. Oh, this side isn't as bad as the other side. Nowhere near as bad as the other side. It's actually pretty clean. All right. So just gonna take this off. Trash that one. I'm also gonna replace these rubber boots here. All right. The valve cover bolt. I just pull them out. It'd be kind of difficult sometimes, but just pull them out. All right. So what I normally do, I just cut these off, placing it with a new one. Just slide this one on so that they seat in properly. Is that if you take them off, depending on what brand and how good, so let's put it back on. All right, so what's going on with it? Yep, we see the problem there. I had a couple threads that came out with it, I guess. Just gonna clean that off because whoever worked on it last stripped out those threads right there. They pulled them out, so the bolt won't reach them. And the helicoil in it. Right. So what you do, and not getting metal shavings all over the place, is you dip your drill bit in grease. All right. So it's my 1/4 inch drill bit. Hold that. take this drill bit
and
I'm just gonna dip it in grease. Not too much, just enough so that the metal shavings will stick to it. Alright, so we're good. Then I'll put it in the drill, and then you just go to work. Make sure you're drilling straight though.
like a straight line too.
Yeah, like a straight line. Alright, so here we go. Move this out of the way. And
Your arm is in there.
he's out of the way. Move this out of the way too.
Why take that off?
So I can put these over here out the way.
So,
Get down here. Alright, let me see it. Alright. You're gonna make sure it's straight, right?
why won't drill it fast?
No. Alright, so you got all these metal shavings on here. Wait, stop. Next, you just put your threader in and start slowly threading it down. I use the same grease on it so it can catch all the shavings that come out. So let's get that. See how the grease catches all them shavings? It's a little bit of hair grease, whatever, any type of sticky substance to get it focused. Any type of sticky substance you put on there to catch that, it will be fine. This tab on here that you gotta break off, we gotta put in this helicoil. That tab that's going through the slots there, you gotta break that off. All right, let's put it in. All right, so we got it all put back together. That bolt, that helicoil came out good. I did have to trim the bolt a little bit to cut the little nipple off the bottom of it, but it went down good, so it's all good to go. Got this tool. Try to change these oxygen sensors a lot. So just crawl up under here and see if we can get it done. Let's get the driver's side. I have the O2 sensor wrench for the upstream one. It's on it with the extension. See here with the extension, and we have to move the wheel well flap or plastic out the way so you can get to it from the other side. So now hopefully this breaks loose like this, and it looks like it'd be the most difficult one, but it should break loose. I sprayed it with WD-40 yesterday, so it's been sitting all night. So I'm gonna put my gloves on just in case it slips. I don't bust my fingers. Go that way. I want to pull it back. That is going to tighten it. Nope, that will loosen it. That is correct. Just right on there. Cool. That broke it off, no problem. Not broke it off, but it's loose. I'll try to focus on that up there. But yes, it is loose that quickly. Good. Cool. There we go, I got it off. It's out, as you can see. So now I just need to find it. All right, got your wrench on it. Now, just I need to. There we go. All right, I'll put you down right here so y'all can see, so I can get it. Oh Hopefully I got enough strength to break it loose. This was tight. Might need to get a pry bar on this one, something to move it. It is tight. You barely get any leverage on it because it's close to the frame wheel. This might be too long. There we go. There we go. Cool. I got them all in. It's all done. Good to go. Should run better now. Oh, we still got to fix that. Oxygen sensors. Ooh. Finished up. So that's another one done, folks. Another one done. Key fob.